The MagCubic HY350 Max Android 14 projector is a modern portable projector built for users who want premium entertainment features at an affordable price. With native 1080p resolution and support for 8K video decoding, it delivers sharp, vibrant, and detailed visuals that enhance movie nights, gaming sessions, and professional presentations. Its impressive 900 ANSI brightness ensures clear and bright images, even in moderately lit environments, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. One of its standout features is the advanced autofocus technology, which quickly adjusts the image for perfect clarity without manual effort. This makes setup fast and hassle-free. Running on Android 14. The projector offers a smooth and user-friendly interface with direct access to popular streaming apps, eliminating the need for external devices. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 provides faster and more stable wireless connectivity for seamless screen mirroring and online streaming, while Bluetooth 5.4 allows easy pairing with speakers, headphones, or gaming accessories for enhanced audio performance. Its compact and portable design makes it convenient to carry for outdoor movie nights, travel, office meetings, or home entertainment. The projector also supports multiple input options, ensuring compatibility with laptops, gaming consoles, USB drives, and TV boxes. Sound quality is decent for everyday use. Though connecting external speakers offers a more immersive cinematic experience, overall, the MagCubic HY350 Max is a powerful, feature-packed projector that combines smart functionality, portability, and excellent picture quality, making it an excellent choice for entertainment enthusiasts.